Please welcome Rajat from Pathom.
Thank you, everyone. I am Rajat Roy, CEO and co-founder of PathomIQ. I'm sure most of you have someone in the family or know somebody amongst your friends who have been affected by this deadly cancer disease. I also lost my mother and few other family members recently due to this deadly disease. The large pharmas are building new drugs to cure the cancer. But unfortunately, those drugs are not getting to the patients because 90% of the clinical trials are failing. So we have developed a platform that identifies predictive signatures on cancer tissues for therapy response and informed patient selection for clinical trial success. The pharmas today are spending billions of dollars and over a long period of time with a 10% success rate. So they're trying their best to ensure the drugs are successful and get to the market. And the reason primarily being is that the patient selection method today is inadequate. Lack of predictive signatures for identifying patients who will not respond to the approved therapy or standard of care is the issue. Many medical researchers and our bioscientists in the team have been researching for several years, and they have finally concluded that the answer is in the tumor microenvironment and not in the cancer cells with its molecular data only. High-dimensional multimodal data analysis using deep learning methods are required to identify these predictive signatures for therapy response. A pathologist with their naked eye can never find these hidden insights from the cancer tissue. PathomIQ was co-founded by such world-class bioscientists and data scientists to solve this problem. I'm a serial entrepreneur, having co-founded successfully 3 startups. I'm passionate, very passionate to solve the problem for obvious reasons, and being guided by exceptional advisory team from the large pharmas as well as from the medical institutes. PathomIQ is enabling a paradigm shift in clinical trial design, drug approval, and treatment planning. It's a game changer for the pharma industry. We have been able to identify unique cancer signature on the cancer tissue for therapy response with 85% accuracy, which the medical community and the pharma industry claims that they have never seen this kind of accuracy before. It will not only help the pharmas to reduce billions of dollars and time, it will also enable them to generate top-line revenue as well as get the drugs to the patients much faster and in a way that it works. There are several platforms today that are based on only genomic analysis and with a 30% or roughly so accuracy rate. And there are few startups have started digital pathology platform, which is primarily for research activities. We have already identified signatures in 2 large cancers, prostate and breast, and now working on non-small cell lung cancer very actively. The market is huge. It's a $58 billion TAM with a $24 billion SAM and addressing the large pharma needs. Our business model is direct sales to the large pharma, and over time, it will be a channel sales through CROs to medium-sized pharmas. 3 components of revenue generation: platform access fee for the signature discovery, clinical trial license subscription fee over 3 years of $25 million, and $40 million per drug per year for companion diagnostic. We have already developed the prostate cancer and the breast cancer, which is two of the 4 big cancer types, signatures. And now working on lung cancer, which is the 3rd biggest one. We are engaged with 2 pharmas right now, and we are planning to close the contract in the next 2 to 3 months. We are asking for $4 million for 18 months run rate to scale the operations and engage with 2 other pharmas. Thank you very much.